All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So in this video, I'm going to be comparing the OnePlus 9 to the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, a brief video on the cameras. So this is the front camera on the OnePlus 9. So I thought, the video is about the OnePlus 9 since it's the new kid on the block, comparing it next to the S21 Ultra. So I'm going to walk around outside with steady shot on, then I'll come back and shoot some video right here, and I'll take some photos. So let's get the video going, and then we'll close out right here. Both have super steady shot turned on, and let's see how this looks. All right, so video from the OnePlus 9 and the S21 Ultra. So, yeah, you can see how these phones optimize the scene on here for each one. I'm not using any kind of external mics or anything. Just standing here holding both phones side by side and looking at each camera. So you kind of see the facial hair, the gray on my beard, my gray on my sides, and one bald, obviously. But what do you think about this quality from the front cameras?
Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil.
Now here's a shot with the S21 shooting at the rear camera, just holding it in the same spot, just shooting by itself. And we'll do the same thing with the OnePlus. What do you think about this quality? All right, so now you've got the OnePlus and here's the S21 Ultra, and just shooting in the same spot right here for quality, sound test. I'm not talking at a really high tone or anything. It's quiet in the living room. So what do you think about this quality from the rear on the OnePlus 9? All right, so you see the footage of the two phones compared to each other. You tell me what you think about how this phone handles and competes against the S21 Ultra. Now, I don't have the 9 Pro, I have the 9. So they have the same camera setup though. So you just let me know what you think about the footage that's coming from both of these. I think this front camera actually does really well in comparison to the S21 Ultra. But the S21 Ultra's rear cameras, really good, hard to compete with those good qualities. But the Hasselblad branding on this phone and the Hasselblad camera setup on this phone definitely took OnePlus to another level. So you tell me what you think about the footage on here. Do you think Samsung looks oversaturated? Do you think the OnePlus 9 should saturate more? Which one looks more natural? The photos, leave that up to you to decide what you think is the best quality for your set of eyes. It also depends on what screen you're watching it on too. So keep that in mind. Try to watch this on a TV or a computer to see if you can get the difference, because I've lined up cell phones before and they have all different resolution qualities, so they look different. So that's how you're going to probably measure yours, your view on how these phones look against each other. But just leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. Take care.